Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Tinder app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will click on storage. Here in this page you will find the clear cache and you will click on it. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. Then here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.